Right now, we're seeing a curious shift in the sentiment around data science, with a sentiment score of plus 0.18 and a momentum of minus 0.64. Historically, this combination suggests a potential divergence from the norm. Typically, you'd expect positive sentiment to correlate with upward momentum. What's particularly interesting here is that despite the positive sentiment, the momentum is dropping significantly. This could indicate a hesitancy among your peers to embrace the current trends in data science, despite feeling optimistic. Our API returns sentiment scores, momentum data, and clusters to give you a nuanced view of the conversation. Imagine using this insight to refine your product features based on real-time sentiment shifts, helping you align closer to user expectations. Get started now at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.